Hey bridge fans, remember when building bridges was all about hard hats and blueprints? Those were the days when every beam and bolt was meticulously planned by human hands. Hold on to your hard hats, because things are changing faster than a rocket-powered roller coaster. The future is here, and it's more thrilling than ever. We're talking artificial intelligence, or AI for short. This isn't just some sci-fi fantasy, it's real, and it's revolutionizing the way we build. Yeah, that thing that's gonna make our cars drive themselves, and maybe even make us breakfast. Imagine waking up to a world where robots handle your morning routine. But guess what? AI is also designing bridges now. It's not just about convenience, it's about innovation and precision, and it's about to blow your mind. These AI-designed bridges are not only futuristic, but also incredibly efficient and strong. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of AI suspension bridges. We'll explore the technology behind these marvels and see them in action. We'll find out how they work, why they're awesome, and maybe even answer the burning question, what makes them so special compared to traditional bridges? Can AI build a bridge strong enough to handle a Mythbusters explosion? Let's go. Get ready for an exciting journey into the future of bridge construction. First things first, what's so special about suspension bridges? Imagine a giant hammock, but instead of holding a sleepy person, it's holding up a road full of cars and trucks. That's a suspension bridge in a nutshell. The road hangs from these massive cables strung between tall towers. The cables are anchored at each end, holding everything up tight. Pretty cool, right? Think of the Golden Gate Bridge or the Brooklyn Bridge. Iconic. These bridges are engineering marvels, and now AI is getting in on the action. So how were bridges built before AI came along? Let's take a trip back in time to understand the traditional methods of bridge construction. Well, imagine a bunch of engineers huddled over giant tables covered in paper, slide rules, and maybe a stray coffee cup or two. These were the days when every calculation was done by hand, and every blueprint was meticulously drawn. These engineers used math, physics, and a whole lot of experience to design bridges. They relied on their deep understanding of materials and forces to ensure the structures would stand the test of time. It was a long and careful process, kind of like building a giant Lego set without the instructions. Every piece had to be measured, cut, and placed with precision. And just like those Legos, every piece had to fit perfectly. One mistake could mean the difference between a sturdy bridge and a catastrophic failure. Now AI is shaking things up. The introduction of artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we approach bridge design and construction. AI can analyze tons of data, way more than any human brain ever could. It processes information at lightning speed, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. It looks at traffic patterns, weather conditions, even tiny shifts in the ground. This allows engineers to anticipate and mitigate potential issues before they become problems. Then, AI uses all that info to help design bridges that are stronger, safer, and maybe even more beautiful. The integration of AI ensures that modern bridges are not only